Hello, it's Tuesday, and this is gonna be just a very short video because I don't have any time. Like, everything is crazy. At school, it's like, not midterm, what is it called? Quarter term, I don't know how is it called in English, I don't even know if it has any special name, but it's like water term, I guess. Anyway, we are writing a lot of tests, and there are exams, and everything is crazy, and at the same time it's NaNoWriMo time, and I'm not behind on my word count. Actually, I'm quite ahead right now, but I need to get ahead because during the weekend I'm going to Prague to visit my uncle and my aunt and my little cousin, who is very cute. She is 2 years old, and I love her so much, and I don't quite see her enough because she lives far away. But yeah, I am going to do that, and also I will probably go see Breaking Down Part 2. Have any of you seen it, girls? Tell me if you did. I'm not the biggest Twilight fan. I used to be. I was really obsessed with Twilight, as many other girls were. I don't know about you, but I know so many people who were obsessed with Twilight but hate it now. Yeah, I'm quite like that. But yeah, I will just see that. I don't know if I will like it. I didn't like the last part of the book that much, but so it was very boring for me actually. So I'm quite curious how is the movie gonna be. Yeah, I'm saying a lot of today. Okay, what else did I want to say? I don't even know. There is nothing else really going on. I'm just writing, studying. I hardly find any time to sleep. It's crazy. But I am enjoying NaNoWriMo and I love it. I'm not sure about my story, about the story I'm writing. I liked it, but now it's getting kind of strange. But yeah, I'll have a lot of time for editing there. Then in November, not in November, in December. Oh, I don't make any sense today. I'm sorry about that. I hope you have a lovely day and a lovely weekend. It's not weekend. Not anymore. It's Monday, and the sun is shining outside. It's beautiful. Okay, I will see you next week. Bye. I'm sorry.